Hi friends, today we will learn about pharmaceutical analysis. What is a pharmaceutical analysis? What is the classification of pharmaceutical analysis? And the definition part we will see now. Pharmaceutical analysis is nothing but it's a technique to identify or quantify a substance or chemical compound present in the sample by using a various methods. Those methods are manual or physical method, chemical method, or an instrumental method. And this classification, the classification of analysis is mainly divided into two types. And one is a qualitative analysis, and the second one is a quantitative analysis. And what is a qualitative analysis? Qualitative analysis is nothing but to identify a substance or compound by using a chemical method or instrumental method where the substance is present or absent in the given compound. For an example, if we take a solution, if we want to know the alkalinity of that solution, add a small quantity of phenolphthalein indicator and the color of the solution becomes pinkish, then we can say the solution is an alkaline. It is an alkaline solution. If the solution color remains same, there is no change in the color, then we can say there is no alkalinity present in the sample. So here we identified just a presence or absence of the substance or compound in the sample. So in our laboratory we are doing number of qualitative analysis. Out of those few of the examples, our description test, solubility test, chemical identification tests, instrumental identification test, this one, identification by HPLC, identification by GC, and identification by UV, IR, NMR, etc. Now we discuss about quantitative analysis. What is a quantitative analysis? Determination of a substance or component present in the sample in terms of quantity, number, weight, length, or any other measurable parameter is called quantitative analysis. For an example, if you want to determine the SAR purity of a sodium chloride, you have to take a standardized or a volumetric solution of a silver nitrate in a burette, and you have to take your sodium chloride sample, prepare a solution in a flask, titration flask, then you are adding this silver nitrate to the sodium chloride. Finally at a neutralization or endpoint you will get some identification and your endpoint will become. Then finally you are calculating your purity or SA of the sodium chloride by using this factor, normality, everything. So here we are determining the exact quantity 98%, 99%, 100% of our sodium chloride. So this type of test we call as a quantitative analysis. For example, over all the volumetric solution determinations, the standardization of solutions, normality we are determining, molarity we are determining, and regular in laboratory, water content test, LOD test, residue and ignition test, and SA by HPLC, SA by GC, and this. So these are the few examples for a quantitative analysis. Okay friends, I hope you all understand. Once again we will recap this topic. And what is a pharmaceutical analysis? What are the different methods for pharmaceutical analysis? And what are the classification of pharmaceutical analysis? Okay. Pharmaceutical analysis is nothing but it's a technique to identify, quantify a substance or compound present in the sample by using various methods, manual, physical, chemical, or instrumental method. And a qualitative analysis is nothing but whether we have to identify the presence or absence of the component present in the sample. And quantitative is nothing but we have to determine the quantity in terms of number, weight, and any other measurable parameter. Okay friends, I hope you all understand. And please subscribe my channel and forward to your friends, colleagues. We will discuss another topic in the next session. Thank you.